Hey guys, hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to share the recipe of chili cheese with you. So let's get started. First of all, we will make the batter for the cheese. I've taken half a cup of maida, into which I'm adding 3/4 cup of corn flour. Now I'm going to add in the water to make the smooth paste out of this. We will whisk it well to ensure there are no lumps. So we need this sort of consistency. It should not be very thick and it shouldn't be very thin either. Now I'm adding in 1 egg. If you're a vegetarian, you can omit the egg. I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, a teaspoon of finely chopped garlic, and half a teaspoon of soy sauce. Give it a mix. And we can adjust the soy sauce, like we don't want very dark color of this batter, so we are looking for a light brown colored batter. Now I'm going to add the cheese cubes, and we need to keep them a bit big in size. I've taken half a kg of cheese here. Now we'll mix them gently and keep this aside for 20 minutes to rest. While it's resting, we are going to heat the oil. Now time to fry these cheese pieces. We will fry these cheese pieces on medium flame. Now they are done and we are going to take them out. Time to saute veggies. I have taken 2 green bell peppers, 1 red bell pepper and 1 yellow bell pepper. I have de-seeded them and cut them into squares. Now I have taken 3 onions and diced them into squares as well. They are more or less the same size. I have taken 8 to 10 green chilies which have been chopped diagonally. You could reduce or increase the number of chilies as per your taste. Now into the skillet I am adding a little of oil, about 1 teaspoon of finely chopped garlic, now after about a minute I'm going to add the bell peppers in. Saute them. And this process we are going to do on high flame. Now in go my onions. We're going to saute them for about a minute or two because we don't want the veggies to overcook. We want the crunch in the veggies. Now I'm throwing in a few green chilies. You can reduce or increase the number of chilies that you're going to put in. If you like it spicy, you can increase the number of chilies, or maybe you can reduce it. That's up to you. Now I'm adding 4 to 5 tablespoons of hot and sweet sauce. A tablespoon of vinegar. Half a teaspoon of soy sauce. A teaspoon of salt. A teaspoon of white pepper. You can put salt and pepper according to your taste as well. And with soya sauce also we need to go a little slow. In case you feel the color is lighter, you can add a little more. So I'm going to add a bit more of soy sauce. So another tablespoon of soy sauce in here. Now I'm adding the cheese to it. Give it a mix. We're going to cook it on high flame for about 2 minutes. Now we are almost done. Our veggies should be like this. They should not be overcooked. Now time to dish it out. And we will garnish it with few spring onions. So I've used the greens of the spring onions here.
And there we go. We have our super delicious chili cheese ready. If you enjoyed watching the recipe as much as I did making it for you, do give a thumbs up and don't forget to comment and subscribe to my channel. Take care and God bless.